Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Good evening to Mr. Faris Saad Multazam. Here, my name is Muhammad Jinani Syabani. I'm from the RKJ class, Polytechnic Indian Bogor 2024-2025. And here for the first, I would like to show about my portfolio. So my name is Muhammad Yana Syabani, and now I'm a student at IDN Polytechnic Bogor, majoring in computer and network engineering technology. I have an interest in IT networking since I was in my vocational high school. I have a good understanding and basic knowledge about computer networking fundamental, and I also already have basic skills in configuring networking device like from Cisco and Microtik vendors. For my education history, I was a student at SMK Negeri 4 Padalarang, majoring in the same field like now in computer and network engineering. And then I decided to enter the IDN Polytechnic in the same field in computer and network engineering technology because I would like to improve my basic skill from my senior high school to be advanced, and I hope I can be expert in my field. I also already have some experiences since I was in senior high school. So the first image here, when I was correcting the Microtik radio direction for better point-to-point signal strength, I did it on April 14, 2023 because my teacher told me and my friend to do this work, and I did this with my friend twice because at the first attempt the signal wasn't good enough, so me and my friend we need to climb the tower again and continue correcting the Microtik radio device to get the better signal. And here is the tower in my school. So the devices, Microtik device, is pointing to the another device in the field. So there is outside class from for agriculture major. They have outside class, and there is also one tower and one Microtik device like this in that field. So my teacher want to connect the network from the outside class in the field to be in one network segment like in my school using this point-to-point connection. And here, this is me and my friends where we were working on our weekly project, configuring Cisco devices for finishing weekly assignment. And this is the newest one. In November 2024, I was attending Google DevFest Bogor. And one day after I attended DevFest Bogor, the next day on November 10th, 2024, I held Microtik online training because Mr. Brady told us to make an online training poster, and I made it, and I also held this Microtik online training for one day at that time. And here actually I got this all when I was in my senior high school, me and my friends participated in Cisco Net Riders 2023. I have some basic skills in IT networking. First, in Cisco, I have a basic device configuration ability, remote access, VLAN, SPI, inter-VLAN routing, trunking, the HCP server, and also routing, subrouting, and basic dynamic routing configuration like EIGRP, RIP, OSPF, and BGP. I learned is Cisco in my senior high school. So I first have an interest in IT networking when I started understanding about networking fundamental by learning Cisco. And here I also learned about MikroTik and already have some also still basic ability in configuring robotic device, including basic configuration like Internet Gateway, NAT, wireless peer-to-peer, bank address filtering, firewall, simple queue, DHCP server, hotspot, bridging interface, static routing, EOIP, PBTP, and basic OSPF routing, and also VLAN. And also here in my first month, me and my friends in class C also learning about Linux fundamental, including basic commands, SSH root access, file permissions, file ownership, user and group management. Okay, now we are going to my achievements. Here are some digital certificates that I have. First, I got the certificate from Prakerja. I got the certificate when before I entered IGN Polytechnic, so it's in April 2024. And this second certificate, Junior Network Administrator by Digital Kominfo. I participated in this online training just after I graduated from my high school. And also English TOEFL test by Burton English. And I have the score about 607 in this test. And my newest certificates is MTCNA and MTCRA that I just get several days ago. And also my new achievements here is compiling the book about MikroTik, and I give the title Getting Started with MTCNA. So maybe that's all that I can explain about my portfolio.
Okay. Zidane. How should I call you? Zidane?
Just call
Or
me Zidane.
Sabani? Zidane.
Yes, Zidane.
Okay. Can you return to second page? Okay. No. Next, third page. Having the rest in IT network field, different basic knowledge. Okay, third. Vocational School Padalarang.
Yes.
Where is it?
It's located near Padalarang Station, also near Bandung City.
Okay. So you came from Bandung?
Yes.
You born there?
Yes, I born actually not Bandung City, but West Bandung Regency. But my home is it's around 1 hour of driving from Bandung City to my house, so it's not too near or too close. It's not too far or too close from my house.
Next. Connecting microting radio direction for better point to signal strength. in your vocational school as well,
Yes,
Padalarang.
Padalarang.
Hmm. Configuring Cisco device for finishing with weekly assignment from Mr. Dedi Gunawan.
Yep, from Mr. Dedi Gunawan.
Can you tell me your struggle uh, when you did those experiences?
Okay, for the first experience about climbing the tower, actually, I didn't mean to be. Uh, I think when my teacher told me to climb the tower to correct the infrared radio diversion, I was enthusiastic for it because I just want to feel the feeling when I was in that hike about 30 meters, maybe 30 or 40 meters. So I didn't feel any fear or anything. I just excited to do this. And about finishing or working on weekly assignment, me and I think all of us also have the same struggling. We have some difficulty on working on the assignment that always unexpected thing that we have to do every single week. But I always try to learn, and I also use my free time like on the weekend when the other friends maybe they go to somewhere, maybe they go to some uh, vacation, or maybe they just playing games on the weekend. I try to push myself to not wasting time, so I use my free time like on the weekend to learn and to finish my assignment as fast as possible before the deadline. Like this.
Okay. Next. Microtic online training. How long? The Microtic online training.
Uh, it's only one day, but it's quite a long time. I started the training at 8 o'clock in the morning.
8?
10 o'clock, sorry, 10 o'clock in the morning, and I finished the training around at 5 p.m. And I took the screenshot at 5:27 p.m.
I can't see. It's too small. What? Discord.
Yeah, on Discord.
How many participants?
Actually, there are 8 participants or 8 people that have paid for attending this training, but at that time only 4 people that attend the online training, because the others said they have any activities at that time, so they cannot attend to this training.
Next. Skills. Cisco, Microtik, Linux. Next. 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 Next.
Yes.
Okay. Pick one. Can you explain to me one of your subject from your book? Pick one, whatever you want, and explain it to me.
I'm going to pick about EOIP terminology.
Okay. Internet over IP.
Yes, cryptography. So,
Hold on. What I want before you explain it, please complete 5 way plus 5 way 5W. What, why, and etc.
Okay, first, what is EOIP? So that's one of the MikroTik OS protocol is MikroTik proprietary protocol. So it only can work between MikroTik routers. That's about EOIP. That's tunneling protocol that we can connect to network experimented or located on different area, but we can make those networks into one segment network. So we can bridge LAN network using tunnel that working on top of the internet connections.
Okay.
That's what is EOIP. And next,
Why we choose AIB?
why we choose EOIP? In some case, if we want to connect our network, for example, from HQ office to the branch office, we want to make them or make those network one segment or one LAN, even though those networks are located on different area, maybe one in Bandung or one in Jakarta. It's and maybe it's not possible to directly connected to MikroTik routers using cable. So we can just using this protocol as long as two routers have internet connection, they have IP public, we can make virtual interface to connect to MikroTik routers, and then to make those two LAN networks on different area to be one segment local area network using the maybe same subnet IP address.
Okay. Where we put the configuration?
We put the configuration on interface tab, interface EOIP tunnels, and we can add some parameters to do this. We have to assign the local address, remote address, and then the tunnel ID. So the local address is IP address of the router that we are configuring the router. It's the public IP address. And for the remote address parameter is the IP address of the router that we want to connect it using EOIP tunnels. And the tunnel ID is the numbers about 0, 10, 600, 10, 65536, maybe if I'm not mistaken. And for the tunnel ID, we must put the same tunnel ID between two routers to make this connection.
What, why, where, and what else? What, where, why,
Who, when,
when. Just the same. Skip when and how. Okay, let's speak how. You explained it before. So okay, just what, where, and why. Okay. Maybe that's it. Congratulations. You passed the test. You passed the presentation. I give you A. And you can close your presentation.
Okay, thank you for this occasion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Zidan. Zaki Ramadan ada?